Davidson students we told you about who are stuck in Europe are making progress home. They're now in Barcelona, Spain, and expect to fly back to the States tomorrow. Meanwhile, thousands of other people are stranded in Europe because of that volcanic eruption. Many of those who have travel insurance are just as frustrated as those who don't. Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials talked to a local travel agent today who says this is one situation where you don't want to be on your own.
Not all of the people stranded in Europe are as lucky as the Davidson High School students whose booking company is making sure they have hotels, food, activities, and alternative travel arrangements to get home. Tracy Stoffel says as a parent, she's resting easy knowing her 16-year-old son and his schoolmates are well cared for in this emergency.
He's with a wonderful teacher and a good group, and plus, like Mr. Edmonds has said, this company, ACES, has taken such good care of them.
But thousands of others are stuck in airports and are uncertain what to do. Springdale Travel President Bob Bender says his travel agency has about 24 customers on both sides of the Atlantic. He says even those who purchased full insurance may be happy or unhappy based on where they are in their trip.
If you're in North America and wanting to travel and can't travel, say you have a cruise booked and you're unable to get there and you're going to miss your cruise, well, that's a cancellation and they'll cover all of it.
Bender says if the client is already in Europe, the volcano has created a delay in their return, and the coverage then could be much less.
And it's $750 per person. That's all. So it would be very easy to spend more than $750 staying 3 or 4 extra days in Europe.
Bender says insurance companies don't normally cover what might be considered acts of God, but he says the companies his agency deals with is making exceptions and handling each claim on an individual basis. As more people book their travel over the internet, travel agencies have taken a hit, but Bender says this is one example where it's really better not to be on your own.
When we get the call, we just start looking, start offering options, and we stay with it till we find a solution.
In Mobile, I'm Renee Dowles, Fox 10 News.
Bender says as more flights resume, people are now having trouble just getting any seat on any flight.